I told Bel it helps Schulmar a lot and Marshall a lot because it added power from the outside. So now we have guys that can shoot threes and penetrate, and Andreas is a good defender. So and Wami also. Pero it gave us the depth shooting wise.
Marshall, how about having that guy, another guy who can shoot the ball?
Yeah, we all know what he could do in terra firma. We're just trying to get him a little bit more adjusted and comfortable. We know his strengths and we know what he can bring to this team. He can bring a lot. So we're slowly getting on board, and it's going to take some time to understand the plays. But we're keeping real basic, and he's doing a good job of making reads on these pick and rolls and ball play. So I'm pretty sure by the next game or two they'll find a better groove. But he did well. Yeah, he did really well.
Clyde, don't ask, please. I'm sleepy. Go. Kay Marshall sa akin.
Sa'yo.
Okay.
Well, I noticed San Miguel played positively. Is this part of the long layoff of San Miguel? Why they played not consistently in their shooting?
Well, we just trailed in the second half. In the first half, we were kind of dominating the game. In the second half, medyo we weren't hitting our shots to start ng third, and then maybe the start of the fourth. But when Marshall hit their shots, then yun yung rhythm kasi namin eh. It's an in and out game eh. So if we make our shots, then it's gonna be pretty good for our team.